In February, Chuchi Eye Center launched a series of health education lectures for the public. Organized in partnership with Cardinal Santos Medical Center and Cardinal Medical Charities Foundation Incorporated, the program featured a series of seminars on diseases that affect the Filipino people.
Our obligation not only to treat the eye, to prevent those consequences from preventable diseases. So we expand our project to advocacy like heart problem, and next we go to other conditions in the body, Parkinsonism and epilepsy, and later on probably on gastroenterology and other diseases.
Cardinal Santos Medical Charities Foundation Incorporated also offered complimentary consultations, screenings, and diagnostic procedures for the seminar participants.
I find it very relevant, no? The relationship that Cardinal Charities Foundation has with the Chuchi Foundation, because I think talagang napapaabot po natin sa masses, sa pangkaraniwang tao, yung mga kaalaman na I think are very basic but are actually unanswered for many people, and we are hoping that we can continue this partnership.
In March, Chuchi Eye Center celebrated World Glaucoma Week with a lecture to raise awareness on this debilitating eye disease.
Pag hindi po naka-follow up, nagde-develop syempre yung ibang mga sakit.
In 2023, World Health Organization reported that glaucoma is the fourth leading cause of moderate to severe vision impairment. Chuchi Eye Center, through its volunteer glaucoma specialist, holds clinics and performs surgeries twice a week. Meanwhile, donations from various individuals and groups support glaucoma patients with their needed regular diagnostic tests, eye drop medications, and surgical procedures to manage their eye pressure. A pharmaceutical company has been providing discounts on their products to Chuchi Eye Center. In celebration of World Glaucoma Week, they donated glaucoma eye drop medicines to Chuchi.
Nung na-discover ko po as a medical sales representative, na-amaze po ako na ang dami talaga niya natutulungan, na each day halos 100 patients yung natutulungan. Alam naman natin na mahirap ang treatment ng glaucoma kasi continue siya. Buong buhay na nila yung treatment eh. Part talaga dapat kasi ng isang company na parang to give back.
The University of Wisconsin-Madison Department of Visual Sciences in the United States of America also supported Chuchi's glaucoma program by donating minimally invasive glaucoma stents.
The work that's being done here to help prevent blindness in these patients has been incredible. So I hope that they will continue to be able to utilize these devices in those efforts.
This collective dedication and benevolence have been giving thousands of glaucoma patients from low-income families a fighting chance against this eye condition.
Isang umiiyak na rin siya, parang nawawala na siya ng pag-asa na maayos yung mata niya. Naiisip ko, kung hindi kami napunta rito, ano kayang lagay na ng asawa ko? Baka hindi na siya nakagawa ng relo, tapos nadamay pa yung isang mata niya.
Kaya ako nagpapasalam sa Chuchi at talagang luminaw. Talagang hindi ko kaya magpa-opera pag Kala ko po mananatili nila ang hihintay nilang na lumabo.
In April, the DSWD Haven for the Elderly recognized the Chuchi Eye Center's contribution in safeguarding the health of their residents and personnel. This government-run care facility in Tanay, Rizal was a beneficiary of Chuchi Eye Center's medical and surgical outreach program this year.
May kahirapan sila pagdating doon sa eyesight dahil nga may mga cataract yung iba. At syempre gusto natin ma-enjoy pa nila yung buhay nila while nandito sila sa center. Kaya very thankful kami, very grateful kami sa Chuchi. Salamat po sa inyo malaki.
This year, Chuchi Eye Center also brought its comprehensive services to residents of Dagupan City in Pangasinan. Firefighters and traffic enforcers from across Metro Manila, and employees of private companies in Navotas City, Quezon City, as well as Batangas and Zambales provinces.
Hindi biro yung ginagawa nila. Unang-una, nandito nga sila sa yung screening. Tapos, pagkatapos ng operasyon dun sa Manila, nandito naman sila, sakripisyo yan. Hanggat 5 beses, 4 na beses. O, titignan pa kung ano. Yung pagmamahal nila sa tao, nandiyan kasi. Hindi na talagang pababayaan yung mga tao na pasyente nila.
In May, the Chuchi Eye Center team overcame logistical challenges to take part in a medical mission in Takeo Province, Cambodia. Together with the medical teams from Chuchi, Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore, and Cambodia, they provided needed medical services to the Khmer community. The Philippine Chuchi Eye Center team conducted 108 operations for cataract anti-regime from May 31 to June 1. Another 107 patients benefited from free eye consultations.
Very good. Smiling ka na, very good.
This Cambodian couple was fortunate not only to undergo surgery that restored their eyesight, but also to have 4 very filial children.
គាត់ចាស់ចាស់ហើយណាមួយកូននៅឆ្ងាយឆ្ងាយមកខ្ញុំនៅគៀកជាងគេចាខ្ញុំនៅឆ្ងាយកាលហ្នឹងគាត់រៀងនៅភ្នែកនៅភ្លឺដែរគាត់មើលកើតតទៅពេលឥឡូវគាត់ងឹតចា
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណដល់ក្រុមហ៊ុនដែលបានចុះមកជួយឧបត្ថម្ភខាងនិស័យភ្នែករបស់ប្រជាជននេះឲ្យកូនវាទៅរកស៊ីមុខរបររបស់គេវិញទៅកុំឲ្យថាយើងទុកកូនទៀតទៅវាអត់មានអីអត់ទាំងអស់គ្នាវាអត់បានអីហូប
In July, Chuchi Eye Center team turned over a newly renovated home to a couple in Rosario, Cavite. When Galileo Garcia's sight faded from cataracts and his longtime partner, Marietta's health declined, they only had each other to rely on. Their misery was compounded by the dire state of their home.
Nung malinaw mata ko, ma'am, pag konting may tumutulo, natatapal ako ng Bulkasil. Itong lumabo mata ko, hindi ko makita eh. Hindi man ako makakapalik sa bubong dahil baka madidisgrasya ako. Ang dinadasal ko, ma'am, bago ako matulog, Lord, huwag mo na akong gisingin. Maawa kayo sa akin. Pagising ko sa umaga, mag-uumpisa na naman ang hirap. Ang hirap ko.
Chuchi Eye Center helped Galileo undergo cataract surgery. While he recovered, volunteers and staff mobilized by donating and transforming the couple's house into a safe and comfortable home.
And today, we did not bring only joy, but we brought love and compassion to this family.
Hindi ko akalain na magkakaganito ang bahay namin, na dating wasak-wasak. Na konting ulan, nababasa na kami. Wala na kaming Para kami mga daga, hindi malaman kung saan kami susuot. Yun, kaya po nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat sa mga kabutihan niyo pong ginawa at sa lahat po ng mga ibinigay niyo sa amin.
Maraming salamat po sa Chuchi Eye Center. Tinulungan po nila akong luminaw ang aking mga mata. Hindi lang aking mga mata, pati ang bahay ko na dati natulo. Ngayon po, wala na pong tulo. Masaya-masaya po ako sa bahay ko, wala ng tulo. Makakatulog na kami ng maayos.
In August, Chuchi Eye Center and GMA Kapuso Foundation Sight-Saving Project conducted 70 cataract surgeries and provided consultations to over 250 patients. The Villagracia family of Pililla Rizal were among the beneficiaries of this project. Danilo and 4 of his children suffered from congenital cataracts. Despite his poor vision, Danilo works hard to provide for his family's needs and sends his children to school. Divine, Daisy, and Dindy excel in sports. However, their hazy vision made keeping up with their classes a struggle. After careful assessment by Chuchi Eye Center's ophthalmologist, only Harry, Divine, Daisy, and Dindy were advised to undergo cataract removal surgeries.
Kay Tatay Danilo, yung pinaka-nerve ng mata ay mahina na rin. Hindi na-develop during dung childhood years niya. Yung mga anak ni Tatay Danilo, dahil bata sila, mas malaki ang tsansa nila ma-rehabilitate na mas maayos.
Nakakakita na po ako. Thank you po. Kasi po inoperahan niyo po kami.
Virginia de Guzman's suffering also began in childhood. A febrile seizure led to a squint eye that brought her a lot of misery growing up. Now 74 years old, she finally gathered the courage to seek treatment.
Kasorte namin na may mga sakit sa mata na merong foundation na ganito. Yung matagal ng pangarap ko natupad sa pamamagitan ng Chuchi, Master Ching Yen. Bago ako mamatay, siyempre papunta na ako doon kasi nasa na ako, 74 plus na. Naranasan ko yung saya na hindi na ako nagtatago, hindi na ako nahihiya na humarap sa mga tao.
She had wanted this all her life. She never knew for the many years that she had been living that she could look normal again. So, if we are able to give that to somebody, no matter how old they are, I think it's worth it kasi it changes how they look at life.
"2,500 years ago, Buddha was born in India. Yung main teaching po niya, kindness, compassion, joy, and giving. Master Ching Yen put into action the teaching of the Buddha. The best example we can show you is our Buddhist Chuchi Eye Center. 18 years ago, ang bilin ni Master Ching Yen sa amin to provide the best facilities, the best equipments, the best doctors, and the best medicine for our less privileged brothers and sisters in the Philippines, regardless of religion.
18 years since the Chuchi Eye Center was established, its commitment to serve with love and heal with kindness remains steadfast. With great compassion of its donors, doctors, volunteers, and staff, a brighter tomorrow is within reach for all.
2 taon akong nasa madilim ang paningin. Walang nakikita, nagkabangga-bangga, madapa. Nagmaliwanag at maligay na ako at hindi na ako nangangapa sa dilim.
Mga doctors dito sa Chuchi,
Hindi
talaga sila nawawala ng pag-asa hanggat kahit may 1%, kahit 0.1 na lang yata, still gagawin pa rin nila yung best nila para
ma-save yung mga natitira pa. Kaya super thank you po.
Nagliwanag ang yung kapatid ko, yung anak kong isa, nakakita man. Hindi salamat. Kaya punta kami sa ospital yun. Nakagata na ako. Nawala ang problema ko. Hulog ng langit siguro sa amin ito. Salamat tayo sa Chuchi. Talaga naman. Tago sa kubang hulso sa kuyang matay minuklat. Itong kadikluman ako ay nangalagkalan.